name is Nathan Green. And right now, we're going to make a show. And this particular show will be about animal predators. Now,
and who do you have with you?
today-
You want to introduce your co-host?
Today, I have my twin brother, Matthew, and our
Matthew?
cousin, Amelia.
Okay.
Amelia Reese and Matthew Green. So here we will be doing a safari on animal predators.
Okay.
Now we are also going to find these animals, and I'm looking for Easter eggs, which can be particularly found here. But in here, some people forgot there's still more Easter eggs, but the animals fly everywhere or hop, and we can't tell where they are. So we can tell where the Easter eggs and the animal predators are.
These are binoculars. We'll use them to look up at the predators and Easter eggs up really close. And we usually see a lot of birds around here and rabbits.
Shh.
I see something now.
We see house finches around here, but sometimes we see ones with black feathers and yellow feathers and black bellies.
Okay.
Blue jays.
Hey, I can see. Hey, there's one on the fence. Now I have something to say. This program is brought to you by Lowe's. Keep your garden and your home safe. Now let's start.
That's
the
a
show.
message from our sponsor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now let's start.
Okay.
Wait, can I do something? Are you starting?
Okay.
You see that old house farmhouse? Welcome back to Animal Predators. So today we're going to be finding this particular crow. And this particular animal will be found in high trees, but it will be hiding from us.
Crows are usually scavengers. That means they eat scraps of food that humans leave left around, or they eat
Eat that. Really cool.
or they eat leftover food, like let's say that there's a coyote, like some wolves hunted down a coyote skeleton and they ate all the meat. So now the ravens, or otherwise known as the crows, get a little snack from that too.
Right.
We'll get dirty on this mission.
You have to say anything?
We will get dirty on this mission.
Matthew, do you have anything to comment? You mentioned about roly-polies. Do you want to give us a little information?
They're really harmless, so I kill them. They don't have legs and arms. But this is
a nature show.
This show is sponsored by Target. Get every toy and thing you need, but the smart place to shop for everything you need. And that first sentence I had to say.
And by contributions from viewers like you. Thank
And
you.
One more time, this program is sponsored by it's sponsored by the Home Depot. Keep your school stuff like erasers and get all the work tools you need for your home. I thought that was staples. Let's go inside.
We're having too many contributions.
Yeah, there's way too many sponsors for our show.
Okay, let's stop.
Wait,
Can we go inside?
Wait, the last sponsor. Wait, we'll be right back after these few messages.
We found a crow, but
we flew away.
Found out.
Oh, man, he's on the roof.
That if we can,
he's gone.
If we make that noises like that, then we can get attract I
we
can
can
bird?
attract a bird
Okay.
or a crow.
Let's hear your cause.
Here's mine.
Okay. Okay, Nathan,
Oh,
let's hear yours.
I actually attract birds.
Nathan, I think you might attract a female crow.
I know I speak female and so there's my female. So I can attract male crows and female crows. Watch.
Gone.
Caw, 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 caw. And they'll answer in 5 minutes.
Okay.